Welcome to London Excel. I'm Craig from the Futurelink Group, and I'm about to embark on another great experience at the London Excel for Oceanology, which has lots of exhibitions, people supplying recruitment, resources, technology within the energy field, renewables, oil and gas, etc. So let's go and take a look. Well, here we are at the entrance of Oceanology here in Excel, and behind me there are at least 250 people exhibiting, whether it's, well, all manner of subsea, ROV, cables technology, as I mentioned before, and it's all right here. And I'm looking forward to seeing quite a few of our clients. There's at least a dozen exhibiting here, and hoping to meet a few prospects as well that may be interested in understanding the benefits of working with the Futurelink Group. It's been a great day so far today at Oceanology here in Excel. I've met with at least 22, 23 customers, which is great to go to network with them and meet some other prospects. I've also met some of our clients like Tech Professionals, Elevate and Ventera, who are using our contractor of record solution, which basically means workers are engaged under self-employment rather than an EOR, employee of record. That means that we can save the worker and the company the employer costs of about 34-35% and maintain contractors' self-employed status, so at least they can be self-employed and use their tax deductibles to reduce their tax liability. Having met with a few customers here at Oceanology, some have asked what insurances do we have to cover their contractors, and then from a commercial perspective, we have recently added travel and medical, which includes repatriation as well as kidnap cover, and that now covers most of the, North America, Canada, Europe, Middle East, and even parts of Africa. It's expensive, but we need to have that now. Contractors need to have the protection as well as professional indemnity. So being Oceanology, there are companies here exhibiting that are based all over the world, from Holland to Denmark, so the Nordics, France, even some in England as well that are exhibiting here. And we had a Dutch company I've worked with periodically who said, can we pay in euros? Can we pay in US dollars? Can we pay in NOK? Absolutely. Futurelink Group have a way of mitigating conversion costs. So paying contractors anywhere in the world is not a problem, from USD, rupees, whatever. We can do that because we've got dedicated banks, and the advantage for their worker is they don't get affected by the conversion, and of course it pleases the client as well. So if you'd like to know a bit more about Futurelink's international payroll services, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.